If you want to invest in stocks, but you're a complete beginner with zero knowledge, let me tell you something important. Going from zero to $100,000 is actually easy if you understand a few simple points. And today I'm going to simplify all of them for you. So let's begin. Before investing, there's one question you must ask yourself. What should I know before putting my money in the market? Because in the stock market, there are only two types of people. First, those who invest and lose. Second, those who invest a little but earn a lot more. What's the difference? The second group understands the 14 basic points you're about to learn right now. So listen carefully, understand each point, and start transforming your financial life from today. 1. What is a share? Imagine a company as a giant pizza kept on the table. Now, this pizza is not eaten by one person. It's divided into many slices. Each slice is a share, and anyone who owns even one slice owns a small part of that entire pizza, the whole company. That's how simple a share really is. 2. Why do companies sell these shares? Picture this. A small gourmet ice cream brand becomes famous in one city. People love it. Now they want to open 200 stores across the country. They have the vision, they have the customers, but they don't have the money. So instead of taking huge loans, they decide to sell small pieces of their company, shares, to people like you and me. In return, they get the money they need to grow. This is why companies sell shares, to raise capital for expansion. 3. What is an IPO? When that ice cream company decides to sell its shares to the public for the first time, it goes for an IPO, initial public offering. It's like they're opening the doors and saying, hey, public, for the first time ever, you can become a partner in our company. 4. What is an FPO? A few years later, suppose the company wants to launch a new product line, premium gelatos, a new app, international stores. They need more money again. So they come back to the public and sell more shares. This second round is called an FPO, follow-on public offering. First time equals IPO. Next time equals FPO. 5. What is share trading? Now imagine you bought one slice of that ice cream company for 2 rupees. A few months later, someone thinks the company will grow faster and offers you 5 rupees for the same slice. You sell it. You make a profit. This buying and selling of shares among normal people, not the company, is called trading, and it happens every second on the stock exchange. 6. What is a stock exchange? Think of the stock exchange as a massive marketplace. Instead of vegetables and clothes, this market sells company shares. In India, the two main markets are NSE and BSE. This is where all the buying and selling happens. 7. Who are brokers? But you can't directly walk into NSE or BSE and buy shares. You need someone who takes your order inside the market. That someone is your broker. Platforms like Zerodha, Upstocks, Grow, they act as the bridge between you and the stock exchange. 8. What is a DMOT account? Earlier, shares were stored as paper certificates, but today, everything is digital. A DMOT account is simply your online locker where all your shares are stored safely. 9. Why do share prices go up and down? Think of it like this. If 100 people want to buy the same share but only 10 people want to sell, price goes up. If everyone wants to sell and no one wants to buy, price crashes. This tug of war between buyers and sellers, supply and demand, moves the market. Sometimes news, profits, or panic also push the price up or down. 10. What makes a company valuable? Companies become valuable because of their profits, their leadership, their new technology, the brand they create, and the customers they attract. For example, a company building advanced clean energy batteries has a much brighter future than a shop selling basic hardware. Future potential equals higher value. 11. Types of trading and investing. Just like different driving styles, the stock market also has different methods. Scalping, very fast buying and selling within minutes. Intraday, buying and selling on the same day. Swing trading, holding for a few days or weeks. Positional investing, holding for months or years. The safest for beginners. BTST, buy today, sell tomorrow. Each style is different, but you choose based on your comfort and time. 12. How do you make money? There are only three ways. 1. Investment, buy a good company and hold it long term. 2. Trading, buy lower, sell higher in short time frames. 3. Dividends, some companies share their profits with shareholders. 13. Market order versus limit order. Think of it like buying fruit at a market. Market order, give me the mangoes at whatever the current price is. Limit order, I'll buy only if the price drops to 50 rupees. In trading apps, both work the same way. 14. What is stop loss? Stop loss is your safety shield. If you buy a share at $100 and set your stop loss at $97, even if you are sleeping, the system will automatically sell it if the price drops. This way you lose only $3, not $20 or $50. These are the most important topics to understand, which I explained without any complications. Just pure to the point knowledge. To learn more like this, make sure you subscribe and write the topic you want next in the comments.